Good morning or good afternoon, whatever time zone you're in. It's 1 o'clock Central here, so it's time for our 10 days of Christmas. We're on day number 7. Today we're going to make some cute and easy gift tags. So many gift tags. You can make GOBS. I'm guessing if I had to calculate 20 to 30 tags quick. If you missed any of the 10 days of Christmas, make sure and subscribe to my email list so you can get that email. It has every single week of Christmas or day of Christmas video on it, as well as a link to a Google Doc with all of the dimensions and products used so that you can make them at home. So let's flip you down to my craft space here where you can see all of these really cute tags. So when I first saw this mix and match, these mix and match products in the holiday catalog, I openly gasped because I love all of them. I love everything about them. They're like hand sketched, very precious with a little bit of gold accents, which I love. But when I saw that there was a tag kit that went with the mix and match, that's when I got super excited. So I'll show you. These are on page 15 in the catalog. You've got the tags for the season mix and match ephemera pack, the Joyful Images mix and match ephemera pack, and the Joyful Sayings mix and match ephemera pack. So you just need to pop these 3 things into your cart, as well as the Baker's Twine Essentials Pack. And you can make gobs of Christmas tags, okay? And you'll also notice that you've got tons of ideas. Here's a little tag here. You can also use them to make cards. Here's some templates on page 16 to make more tags. Here are more and more ideas for tags and cards using these ephemera packs. And then we've talked about also, you can also get this a little bit festive pack, and you can actually extend your packs even further with more creative possibilities. But today we are easy peasy making some Christmas tags. Now I have all these spread out to show you. I'm going to take a great photo of these on a better background, so don't worry. I'll post that on my Facebook page. But I'm not making every single one of these tags today. I just wanted to show you the potential. I've already used a lot of the mix and match packs on other projects. But these are some of the tags that I made using the mix and match pack. Again, I will get photos of these and post them for you. So I'll make sure that anything that I don't make today, you'll get to see a picture of. If you see pictures of these tags, it's so easy to replicate them because the packs have everything in them. They are just punch out pieces, and all you do is punch them out and use your Stampin' Seal or your dimensionals to stick them down. I'll show you what's left of my mix and match packs. I actually have really used them up, but I still have some things left. There's the tags. There's part of the sayings. So I have used a ton, but even after using a ton, I still have so much left to work with. Each one of these packs is $9.50, so we're not talking a huge investment of your money or your time. All right, so let's get started here and make our first tag. I've got things kind of pulled out and organized so that we can do these quickly. Let's start with our first tag. All right, so you're gonna pull the this tag. It's a large gold tag out of the tags pack, and then I've got 2 pine cones, a little piece on earth, and this precious mousse. So we are just going to, we're gonna let dimensionals do most of the work here. So we're going to pop this little mousse up with a dimensional. Now, one thing about making tags quickly is you can make some very elaborate tags with stamping and trimming and all of the things. But let's face it, people are going to literally rip these off the packages, and you're going to be throwing them away on Christmas Day. or maybe even the next day if you're a late cleaner. So why would you spend gobs and gobs of time and resources to make fancy tags? These are key, okay? We are literally just sticking these down with dimensionals and Stampin' Seal, and we have, voila, a cute tag, okay? Now, you can really use any neutral color with these. I love a neutral twine, and these are just some of the colors from the Baker's Twine Essentials Pack. There's a gray, a brown, a white, a black, and I guess this is a lighter gray. But you definitely just grab that Essentials Pack and you choose. I pulled out these kind of crumb cake colors, and I'll show you how to make one of the little tag deals. So you take your twine and you make a U. You slip that U shape through the hole and you grab the tail and pull it through. That's it. Okay, so I'm not going to do that on every tag while I'm on this video, but you can see there how to put the tag on. Hello, Gail. Good to see you. All right, so that's tag number 1. Let's go with tag number 2. So we've got a cute little holly jolly tag, and we are going to pop this up with dimensional little thing, and then we're gonna stick this little holly thing right behind it. Voila, easy peasy. Okay, and our next tag, let's see if I can find it. Yes, we are going to use this tag. I'm going to pop my Christmas wishes up with dimensionals. We're going to stick this down here on this edge. Don't be afraid to use your tags in like diagonal or horizontal fashion. So we're just going to pop these 2 little leaf fronds back here. Now you can see here I had a little point set up, but I used both of them. So I substituted these little holly elements for that tag. All right, let's go for our little moose. He's adorable. All right, so what we're gonna do is, these actually come from one of the packs. They're just little, I think they're in the tag pack. So, and they just kind of give a little extra oomph to your situation here. We're gonna pop a dimensional on here. Again, I'm not overly complicating it with dimensionals. We're making tags, people. They're gonna get ripped off and thrown away. So don't invest gobs of time. Let's just go for volume, right? We're going to put this here, actually over here. And then we're gonna pop this little image over here. Voila, done. Let's make, I don't know if I have another Noel. Let's look and see. I feel like I may have had one, but it probably got absconded with. Let's figure out what we could put in the middle of this. Could do that. I don't want to do that. Something long and skinny. How about wishing you, that looks good. Wishing you a wonderful Christmas season. So here I used the little punch out of the word Noel, which is for in the greetings. Now this, you can see there is a hole here. So all the tags have holes, but there's a hole here. So I did line these up just so that I can get my ribbon straight through there. I'm going to pop this up with dimensionals. Hello, Carol. Good to see you. Thanks for joining us today. And then we're going to pop this little sweet. The ribbons are some of my favorites in this pack. because they are just like hand-drawn. They're super cute. And they have just, I don't know, it gives it a really cute depth. So there's a go. Let's go for this one. See what I'm doing here. So I used another one of the teddy bears on the 5th day of Christmas, I believe. But we're gonna go, let me get my dimensionals closer so I don't have to keep reaching over the screen there. We're gonna pop our 'Tis the Season right here. And then I just need a big image. I use the teddy bear here, but I'm using the sled here, or sleigh. We're gonna pop this back here. And then I'm gonna go here with my Stampin' Seal Plus. You could also use a glue dot here, but I find it's pretty quick to just pop some Stampin' Seal on there. Cute and simple little tag. Here's a very quick tag. You're just gonna pop a dimensional on the back of this ornament and voila. Now, where I might use this is, it's little, right? So you could stack it on another tag, but also where I might use this is, like, I bake a lot for the holidays, and I'll make a bag of treats for someone. I would just write love the Cogbills and tie that on to the little treat bag of snacks. Here's another little sweet pea. Let me see. So we're going to add this holiday wishes just down here at the very base of this tag. So that kind of extends the tag, makes it a little bit bigger. And then we're going to add a dimensional here to get our little ornament. You can see there, that sweet little tag. Now, I'm going to carefully pull this one out. I've got some little gold stars here and there. These gold stars are in the Images pack. They just pop right out. Everything just pops right out. Quick, quick, quick. This one kind of reminds me of a sled, the way that it is assembled. How did I do that? Let's look. It looks like okay, that's what I did. So I put these together, and then I actually put dimensionals here, and they serve two purposes. They connect these two pieces, but also this can pop up right on top of it, like so. And then you can grab a smidge of liquid glue, and you're gonna go 1 star, another star, another star. And we can pop those on with our take your pick tool. So precious. You can see how quickly these tags are coming together. It's like a flash. Here's another one. Super sweet. I've already stuck this ribbon is actually separate from this stocking, but I don't know why I already glued it down, but I glued it down with liquid glue. And then you're going to pop that onto here. Another cute little tag for a treat. Oh, this is one of my favorites. Now, I will say that the idea for many of these tags came from the Stampin' Up! CEO. Her name is Sarah, and she did design a lot of these tags on Facebook. So this is where I got a lot of these ideas. Now, this is interesting. So if you take this little circle and pop this on the back, you're going to turn that into a tag, which is fantastic. Somebody was really thinking there. Then we're going to pop this little red strip onto the bottom, thereby making a little place to stick our Mary. And look at that cute little tag. Hello, Carol. Good to see you. Glad you're here. It's always fun when people watch live. I hope y'all had a good Thanksgiving. We certainly did. Thank you for sharing, Carol. You're so sweet. We always have fun, family fun, eat, eat, eat. That's what we did. All right, now here we are going to pop this down with dimensionals. Right here. And then our sweet little bow is going to just go on with liquid glue. I'm going to pop that right there. So sweet. And our last little tag, we are going to take this little nugget, pop it up with dimensionals. So like I said, a lot of these ideas came from Sarah. She made some cute tags. All right, now those are all the tags that I had enough to make doubles of. And then here are just a few more tags that I made with some of the little pieces and bits that I had in the mix and match set. So you can make gobs of tags in a hurry with these mix and match ephemera packs. All right, so again, you want to order the Tags of the Season, Joyful Images Ephemera Pack, and Joyful Sayings Ephemera Pack. There's the item code. You won't need them. Just type it in just like that. This is day 7 of the 10 days of Christmas. Pick up the baker's twine so you can have your little thread to deal with. Remember, I am Cogbill with papermadeprettier.com. You can catch all of the 10 days of Christmas on my YouTube or subscribe to my email list. The email list, when you subscribe, I'll put the link in Facebook, and it's already in Facebook, but I'll put it on YouTube as well. You will get all of the recipe cards with the dimensions for the 10 days of Christmas. I'll show you. Here was day 1. We had a gift card holder on day 2. You can see I made multiples. I will zip you through all these cute little gift card holders. These are used the Memories and More pack. We had a gorgeous sled card. We had some snowy season scenes cards. And this is the other, well, I'll show you this day 6 before I move everything out of the way. A cute Christmas card. And then I also used the ephemera packs to make this 12 by 12 sampler. So you can see some of those images that I used to make the tags. Also made this adorable sampler. So don't forget to subscribe to my email list to have access to all of those recipe cards with dimensions. When you place an order of $50 or more, you're going to get 10 free Christmas cards. And when you place an order of $75 or more, you're going to get a free embellishment. Don't forget about the gift of Christmas that I am featuring during the 10 days of Christmas. This is the adhesive pack. You can message me for this, but it's $39. It comes with this cute bag and this another cute tag that I made with the mix and match pack. And it's got 2 sets of dimensionals, big and small, a seal plus a seal refill, glue dots, liquid glue, and that's everything you're gonna need. Either you're gonna need it for the crafting that you haven't done this Christmas, or you're gonna need to refill your supply when Christmas is over. All right, guys, thanks for joining me, and we'll catch you on the next day of Christmas. Bye bye.